The beauty of that is, sometimes people can buy them for only $10. It's inexpensive. I can be asleep. They can be learning at 3 p.m. their time when it's 3 a.m. my time. It's scalable. So I can go from training one or two people at a time to now I have 2 million students. So it's completely scalable. The problem with it is it's not interactive, and therefore it's a passive experience and doesn't really create change the way the in-person workshop does, where I'm video recording people and doing it back and forth, getting them on camera 10 times. So to me, what excites me about a video clone is in some ways, it's the best of both worlds. It has the interactivity, the ability to record. We didn't get to it, but my video can critique what I'm saying and my messages. And if I had been wearing sunglasses there, it would say, your backdrop looks fine, but why are you wearing sunglasses? It looks weird. It can have that level of interactivity, and yet it's still really inexpensive the way an online course is. Therefore, it's accessible to anyone in the world at any time. So that's what drew me to it, is really trying to fuse the best of both worlds.